Guys, welcome to the review of GMB Snap, that is Google My Business Snap. And let me tell you firstly, what is GMB Snap? So GMB Snap is a cloud-based software, and also they have you get like two softwares. One helps you to like optimize your Google listings and Google My Business listings, like local listings. And second one, you will able to find the leads with the help of their lead Google Lead software. And let me show you. I'm on the dashboard of, like, let me tell you the lead finder first, and then later on this video I will also tell you about the Google My Business Optimizer, which they have, means they have a collaboration of two software itself. So, and now on the GMB Snap, I have written an article before starting this review, of course, and I have added all the OTOs, the all the upgrades of the GMB Snap. As you can see, I have listed down all the OTOs, and I have like added my own bonuses for you guys. If you pick up it through one of these links, you will get my bonuses. You can check link on the description of this video, and you can like get all the bonuses. Now, first on this GNB Snap review, let me like go through the software. For example, now I go to add search. For example, when you get like when you see this particular when you log in, you will get some screen like this, and here you can add your search. Now what you have to do, you have to like put on the keyword for which business you want to search for example, if you are working for saloons, and if you want like to get the leads from the saloon thing, and here you can give it a location. For example, I want the leads from the New York itself. So it will take some time to get the leads. And as you can see, we have all the leads here, as you can see. And I can also do some more actions here. For example, I can go to the actions, and when I click on action, I think okay. When I click on action, I can shortlist this particular business. For example, I can save it I can use it for later. I can shortlist it. For example, if I want this, this, and this, uh, let me select three of the campaign, and now I can like go to shortlist, and I can add to a particular folder. For example, if I want to add a folder for saloons, I can also search the leads for other businesses like restaurants, car washers, and plumbers, and different kind of business, taxis. And it can be added to a different kind of things. And now what happens when you go to shortlist, and this is overall the lead software itself. Like it also give some of the locations and some of the details too about the software. For example, if I again, I'm going to search for saloon, and now I can search for a particular location, right? And I can go to search again, and we can get the multiple things about that particular business, right? For example, if I go to business data, as you can see, we get all the data. For example, this person don't like added his the email ID and not the Facebook page, and I can have it here, and I can see all these things. I can copy it to the clipboard itself, and I can paste it to my docs and something other place also, or for example on Excel, or something other place which you want. Now on next, I'm going to show you how the optimizer works.
I go to Google and type in this keyword. Actually, here in the top of Google results, you will see something called Google Maps Repack. Actually, this second result, Iconic Media Solution Photography, is result we achieved during our beta testing. And I can try different variation of this request. So I just type in photographer Wensbury, and here again this company will appear. Another variation, again this company is here as always. So GMB Snap is exactly the software that will help you achieve similar results for your business or for your clients' businesses. And now let me show you how easy it is to use GMB Snap. So actually what you just need to do is hit this GMB project button, fill in your business, click search, and it will find your business in Google Maps and populate all the data related to your business. Now I hit next button, and as you see, the software populated automatically location that was to rank for this particular business. But of course you can change this list and add your own location you like to rank for. I hit next, and I will provide keywords that I'm going to rank for this business. Now I will specify YouTube URLs and images related to this business. This is not obligatory but worth to have. And now I will select Google accounts I like to use in this project. Hit next, and the last step, I will put my article here related to this business and reach of the business related keywords. I use in my case span content, but here you see spin button, and together with GMB Snap you are getting my bestseller software Magic Article Rewriter that you can use to spin your articles. Just paste your article here and hit apply magic button, and software will automatically spin your article. Hit OK. So this was last step and our project is created. I hit finish. And now, just for demonstration purposes, I will go to settings and enable debug mode. So this will allow you to see the browser window, and you will clearly see what actually GMB Snap is doing, but during usual software using you will not see this browser window. And now I hit this play button here, and let's see what happens. Software navigated to Google My Maps and finds our business location. Sets business title and description. Later I will show you how it looks like. And now software will give public permission to our map we are creating. And now software will create maps for every location we have specified. It will add images to the location and videos. Now it's adding video. Renames our title, setting our keyword and putting article we have specified. Now it adds image to the map. And software will now continue with other locations we have added and other keywords we have added. If I remember, we had 12 locations, so all the locations will be added and all the keywords will be added to these maps to help Google understand that this particular location is related to this particular keyword. As you can see, GMB Snap is creating maps for all 3 accounts we have added during our project setup. Let's skip other maps creation to save your time. On the last step, software will ping your links to notify Google about what maps we have just created. Browser windows are closed and actually our project finished. If you hit this button here, you will see all the links created. So actually we selected 3 accounts for this project, and software created 3 Google Maps, each for 1 account. Let's see how it looks like. Here you will see that Software put to Google Maps all the data needed to rank your Google My Business in Google Maps repack. At the top you see web URL to your maps. Next, we can see citation of your business, business name, address, and phone number. Below is link to website of this business. Next is our article. Same is done for other locations we have specified. Here you can see keyword, and in the location description you see link to the map, citation, link to website, article, and link to first map that was created. Actually, two links. One is Google Maps links and second link is Google Drive. And below this you can see we have the link for our business we are trying to rank. Here you can see that video is added to this location and image. And absolutely same is done for all the location we specified, and the location name is actually renamed to keyword to match exactly this location with this keyword, to help Google understand that this particular location is related to our keyword. Absolutely the same is done for other accounts. So if I open, you will see that for other account similar map is added with all the locations and all our keywords, with images, with videos, etc. I really hope that you realize all the power that gives you my new GMB Snap. Click the link below to get it now. Thank you for your time and thank you for watching.
As you seen all these things about the GMB, so GMB can really help you to optimize your local listings. And if you work for local clients like me, you can earn a handsome, you can optimize the local listing and get the higher ranking for your clients. It's a thumbs up from my side because it really works well. I am using it right now for my clients. I was the beta tester for the software itself, for the GMB Snap. So thank you guys for watching this review. This was Rohit from techiework.com, and do subscribe my channels to watch videos like this. And if you want to purchase the GMB, you can go on the link on the description of this video and you can get it, and you can get my bonuses too. So thank you guys for watching this video.